In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to MailerLite. This method is particularly handy if you're looking to add just a few contacts, making it ideal for smaller updates or personalized engagements. Let's dive right in to make sure you know exactly what to do. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your MailerLite account. This is your hub for all things email marketing, and you'll need access to your dashboard to begin adding those new subscribers. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where various tools and features are at your disposal. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Subscribers section. Clicking on this will guide you to the area where all your subscriber magic happens. It's like the central hub for managing your audience. So this is an important place to become familiar with. Once you're in the Subscribers section, you'll want to look for a button or link that says Add Subscribers. Go ahead and click that. This function allows you to add contacts manually and is particularly useful when dealing with a smaller number of subscribers. After clicking Add Subscribers, you will see a few options. For today, choose Add Single Subscriber. It's straightforward and designed for situations just like this, where you're only adding one or a handful of contacts. With that selected, you're now ready to start entering subscriber details. Begin with the email address. This is the primary piece of information needed because it serves as the key identifier for your subscriber. For example, you might enter something like john@example.com. Next, add the subscriber's name if you have it. While this step might seem optional, including the name can make your communications feel more personal and engaging. You might also notice there's an option to add custom fields. These are entirely optional but can be really useful if you have additional information such as the subscriber's preferences or any other data that might help tailor your communications more effectively. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to add the subscriber to a specific group. Groups are a great way to organize your subscribers based on their interests or the types of emails they should receive. You might choose newsletter subscribers as an example group or others that fit your needs. Finally, everything is in place, so you'll want to click Save to ensure all the details are stored correctly. This action will instantly add your new contact to the selected group, and they'll be part of your MailerLite audience, ready to receive your emails. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subscriber to MailerLite. Remember, personalizing and segmenting your email list is key to maintaining a strong engagement with your audience. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy email.